In this tutorial in Microsoft Word, we're going to look at how to add line numbers to all or part of a document. I received a call from a friend, and what they're doing is they're assessing a very important paper to query a grad student about, and they want a line number on every page so that they can say page 2, line 6, what did you mean here? So if you want to put that kind of information on a page in Microsoft Word, how do you do it? Well, let me show you. All we need to do is move to the Layout tab at the very top. And when we click on Layout, we'll look in the Page Setup section, and there is a section called Line Numbers. I click on there. I can have none. I can have continuous. I can restart on each page, or restart on each section, or I can suppress it for the current paragraph. Now, I would recommend not using continuous because if you have a 20-page document, the line numbers will get very large. What I would recommend in many cases would be restart for each page. So I'll click here, and it inserted line numbers here on the left. I'll get out of this by clicking on Control-Z and show you another thing you can do. When you click on the down arrow, you have a line numbering option. So we'll click on that. This will give me options for line numbers. If you look at the bottom, it shows me where I can apply them to. The whole document, and I'll say yes. I can add line numbering. This gives me the option of starting at a certain number. And a count by, I could actually do it so they're all even if I wanted to. If I count by 2 or all odd, let's say start at 2 and count by 2. I can restart at each page, each section, or continuous. So I'll click this option here and click on OK. And now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. I could also do Control-Z out of that. Go back to the same option box here on line numbers, and we'll do add line numbering. We'll let it start at 1, but we'll say we only want a line number to appear every third line, and I can click on this and click on OK, and OK over here. So now I have it on every third line. So it's a nice way to add line numbers in your documents in those cases where you want to identify the text extremely specifically by page or line.